Look at this. This is banana. We want to use this and do banana sheep. As you wash up, may the good Lord bless you in Jesus' name. Let's go. You see the one I'm cutting here? Because it's banana. You know it's banana. That's why the color on white banana. That is why the color is like this. So we are going to see today how it's going to be like. Doing like this. So we are going to see today how it's going to be like. You see, I'm on the last one now. Before we start doing cut slicing, we are making it to be fat so that you see how it's going to look like. You see the one cutting it, very fat. You see what I'm doing? See the one cutting it. You see the one cutting it? Very simple with it, but you need to be careful about your hand so that it will not cut your hand, because this thing used to be very sharp. It can even cut somebody's finger. You see the one I'm doing, okay? If I can do it, you can do it. You see? I told you this is called banana sheep, not plantain. We are going to see how it's going to look like today. All this while we have been doing plantain, but today we want to do banana. Watch me as we I'm going to put a piece of salt, just a piece. On it very well. It's hot now. Let's see how it's going to look like. Make sure you try as much as possible to separate them. You can see it now. It has dried very well. You see, look at it. This is called unripe banana plantain tea. Very cute and simple. Look at it. Very dry. Very dry. If I can do it, you can do it. Can you see me? It's okay. It has no taste. You understand? It has no taste. Thank you for watching. And you good like blessing to the opinion. You see the curry unripe banana plantain tea. Very simple and neat. You will love it. You see, very beautiful. Eat it and try it, and you will like it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel, okay?